Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. SoFi, found at SoFi.com, offers a diverse suite of financial products and services aiming to help individuals achieve their financial goals. From student loan refinancing and personal loans to mortgages and investment accounts, SoFi provides a centralized platform for managing various aspects of personal finance. Their services often feature competitive interest rates and flexible terms, catering to a wide range of financial needs. SoFi also emphasizes a community-driven approach, providing resources and educational content to empower users to make informed financial decisions. The platform has evolved significantly over time, expanding its offerings beyond its initial focus on student loan refinancing to encompass a broader spectrum of financial solutions. SoFi's user-friendly interface and mobile apps strive for seamless account management and accessibility. They also offer career coaching and financial planning tools, further solidifying their commitment to holistic financial well-being. While SoFi presents a compelling option for individuals seeking a comprehensive financial platform, potential users should carefully consider their individual circumstances and compare SoFi's offerings with other available options in the market to determine the best fit for their specific needs. SoFi's comprehensive suite of services makes it a viable choice for those seeking to streamline their financial life, but thorough research and due diligence are always recommended when choosing any financial product or service. SoFi's commitment to user experience and educational resources can be valuable assets in navigating the complexities of personal finance. However, individuals should always prioritize their own financial goals and risk tolerance when considering any financial product or service, including those offered by SoFi. Remember to explore all available resources and make informed decisions based on your unique financial situation.